Came Cho, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share your white ceramic lantern, which you can use to decorate in a different style using a one DIY. So keep watching video till the end to see how it's turned out. And yeah guys, if you have missed to subscribe my channel, please do it. It's take only 2 seconds. For this DIY, I am taking a discarded box. You can select any dimension of the box. There is no limitation of any size and shape. So here there are 2 openings of the box. The bottom side opening is very flexible. So I am cutting out this bottom part with the help of cutter. And now we will seal the top part with the help of Fevicol. Now to pass on the rays from the box, we need to cut the sides in any shapes like star or any design, and choose a very simple design and avoid a curve shape so that it can be easily cut out. That's why here I am selecting a star design of various sizes like 2 inches, 3 inches and 4 inches. Now to make the box surface rough and stiff, here I am covering a surface with the help of liquid Fevicol and tissue paper. I know guys, this is time taking process, but keep connected to my channel so that you can get a varieties of unique ideas and new time saving tricks. Now after completely dry out and to give a ceramic effect, I am applying a mixture of white cement and little bit amount of water. If you don't have a white cement, you can also use a wall putty instead of white cement. So now it's time to make your hand little bit dirty.
I think about you all the time now. I guess I never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want peace and calm, so I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. You can know that you like me, yeah. But you're always ignoring them, yeah. But you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me.
Now after completely drying out the texture, scrub the surface using a sandpaper for make the surface smooth. After smoothing the surface, put it on a cardboard paper and trace out the opening part. As we are making a lantern, we need to keep open upper part. So we will place a bottle cap in a center for making a circle, and we will cut out the circle part. With the circle part, I have cut out 3 to 4 rings, and we will stick the rings on a circle part to increase the width of opening part of the lantern. So guys, now our upper part is ready. We stick it using a Fevicol and now apply the same texture paste on it. Now our lantern is pretty much ready. It is looking very nice and strong. You can see we have made it in very easy way. You can also paint according to your furniture.
How many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. You can know that you like me, yeah. But you're always ignoring them, yeah. But you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah.
Here I have put a simple battery operator string light in a lantern. You can also put an artificial flower or real flower to make it as a flower vase. So guys, if you like my video, give thumbs up and share your thoughts in a comment section. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye, take care, and yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you in advance.